Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So let's just first press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and now just you'll see here this bell icon. Click here twice on the bell icon and now we can see the message that calls and notifications will be muted. This means that we just successfully activated the silent mode on our device. If you want to turn it off, you just should click once again, just only once on this bell icon, and now our calls and notifications, they will ring. Also, I have the second way how we can do that. Just first open notification panel and here on the top bar you should find sound icon. Just click twice on this icon to activate silent mode. Now we can see here that our phone muted, and to turn it off click on this icon once again, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.